Question 24. Jane and Sam are in a geography class of 12 students. The class is going on a 3-day excursion by bus. Part C. There is one seat at the back of the excursion bus that is very popular among the students. Before the excursion, a draw is conducted to determine who will sit in the popular seat. The names of the 12 students are placed in a hat and 3 names are drawn without replacement. The first name drawn determines who will sit in the seat on the first day. The second name drawn determines who will sit in the seat on the second day. The third name drawn determines who will sit in the seat on the third day. Part 1. What is the probability that Jane's name is the first drawn? There are 12 names in the hat, of which one of those names is Jane. So the probability that Jane's name is drawn first is 1 over 12. Part 2. What is the probability that Jane's name is the second drawn? This is selection without replacement. So in the first draw, there are 12 names to choose from, and in the second draw, there are 11 names to choose from. So the probability that Jane is drawn on the second round is equal to the probability that Jane is not drawn on the first round, which is 11 out of 12, times the probability that Jane is drawn on the second round, which is 1 over 11. And that equals 1 over 12. Part 3. What is the probability that Jane's name will not be one of the 3 names drawn from the hat? In the first round, there are 12 names to choose from. In the second round, there are 11 names to choose from. And in the third round, there are 10 names to choose from, since it's selection without replacement. Using the law of complements, the probability that Jane is not drawn on any of those 3 rounds is equal to 11 over 12 times 10 over 11 times 9 over 10. And that simplifies to 3 over 4.